All right, guys, we're back here at the condo unit right here. Here's our view. This guy is the first one to move in these 15 units, so we're actually mounting a rack up there. Talked about this in our Samsung frame video. So we're gonna mount the rack up right about here at the bottom. That's the rack right there. Right now we need to pull these wires back up because we originally planned for longer shelves, so the builder didn't put longer shelves here, and we want to protect the rack. So we're gonna pull all our wires back up, and then so you can't see them going into the rack. The client was okay with it, but I'm not, so because I want those wires to go up inside the side door. So yeah, getting that done. All right, guys, we got all these wires pulled up. Got our different boxes, got our speaker wires, coax, Cat 5, and everything. Got our brackets mounted for this guy. So next, we are going to lift this thing up. Cody just reminded me that it's not gonna fit past this, so we have to lift up over this, and then put it on those L brackets, and then screw it to the wall. Let's try to get it done. Right. That's how she's done. Okay, we've got 3 separate L brackets in here holding up the bottom, all in studs, and then our top one is 2 5-inch bolts going in the wall. Sick. Popping, there's the Rax cherry here. Putting our first Yamaha 1080 in. What we're doing. Oh, you found the kitchen too, right?
Yep.
Alright, so kitchen is going to go into zone 2, but I'll tell you in a second.
Okay, one of them, you're going to have to put it in.
Oh, you bastard.
The one over the fridge is too short. You're able to pull back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It should stay right there.
Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, you're good. So you're going to go surround left and right, front left and right, and center for these guys. The only one that's not labeled is the center.
Yeah.
And then you'll go front presence for the kitchen zone. You said you got one wire that's short? Extend it. Alright guys, so we're back at the condos. The other day Cody and I, as you saw, got that rack all mounted. Today we're mounting all the TVs, and then I'll be working on some of the through-house music. So yeah, we're here on the first floor. This is a guest bedroom, and Cody and Benny are working on mounting this TV. Let's get that thrown up. Again. So yeah, again, we got this 75-inch frame here. We got the 55 right there. I'll do a little bit of demos and stuff in here after a little bit, but I'm gonna get back over to the guys and see how the whole TV mount's going. Yeah. that. All right, guys, so the guy's got this TV up. I'm just gonna pull out the microfiber, wipe this guy down a little bit. Look at that view though. And then here's the TV for the bath. We've got the speakers up there, so one above the shower and then one above the sink. And then there's 2 more speakers we put in above the bed. So yeah, how this is gonna work is I'm using a DAC, it's a digital audio converter, and I'm gonna send the audio signal back from this TV to play on all these speakers on the receiver. As for this TV, it's not gonna correspond with the speaker. Actually, no, I'm running a DAC for this one as well, so I can play to these speakers. So this will be for this room for TV sound, and this will be for this room for TV sound. Also, there'll be Sonos, so they can just play music aside from that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring all of the speakers upstairs and we'll show you the patio, the moment of truth here to see that view up there. Got 3 TVs that we're mounting up there and 4 speakers, so let's get it done. All right, and here is Cody loading up our AW525s. We got 2 sets of those, so we got 4 speakers total, AW525 clips, and I got an SPL 100 that I'm gonna drop off at the 3rd floor for the media setup, or for the family room setup, if you will. Yeah, is this all I need, Cody?
Yes, sir.
You want to take it to the 3rd floor? Nah,
If you want me to.
if you want. I kind of do. All right, Cody, it's all you. Moment of
I'm
truth.
only mad about it because of the stairs I ain't a fan of today.
I'm going to floor 3. Say whatever you want. Oh, I gotta close.
You want me to like freak out on the camera?
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, it's a little claustrophobic in here.
Yeah, on floor 3.
Yeah, can we go? This thing's loud, but it doesn't go very fast. That's kind of cool. You can see each level. See the door handle for the level. It's kind of cool. So, pretty small elevator though. And here we go.
How was it?
Yes. Now we're going to the 4th. Right here. Hope it won't let you open it. Oh! Did Benny really press 1? Someone pressed 1. Now I have to go down to the 1st floor to go back up to the 4th floor. I think it was Benny. Okay. I guess someone just pressed the 1st floor. Now off to the 4th. Alright, I don't like this no more. I don't. Did you press 1?
You went back down?
Yes!
you pressed the button?
Benny,
Hey.
press the button.
Cody, recording. Come on, give him a tour of the top
recording.
here.
Alright.
See, I'll grab a speakers.
So, just went on the 4th story rooftop. Oh, look at this view. Beautiful. Come closer to the ledge, and this is basically what you see. Can y'all imagine this? Man. Alright, and here's the grill. We are mounting a TV right here above the grill. Nice 50-inch 4K Ultra. And then we are installing 2, there's 65s. 265s, one above the fireplace. And over here, one more mounted here. He's gonna actually put a giant hot tub right here. Speakers coming, gonna be right there next to it. Another speaker up top. Let's get to it.
All right, guys. Cody is gonna keep working here. I actually have to run back out to a job. Gonna be posting a video on that one too. We're mounting a patio TV inside of an enclosure outside. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna be doing a whole review of his home theater that we did there as well. So yeah, I'm leaving Cody here. Benny and I are gonna go walk the condos on the other side right there. You saw in our video from the other day. We're wiring up unit what is it, 4 and 5. 6 is done, so I'm gonna walk those with him, and then I'm gonna get out to Corinth to go get the other job done. Let's get it going.